Okay, you're with Dave Stallman. We are working with right triangle trigonometry. We're talking sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so here is a triangle, and let's see, let's label this. We'll say this is angle A, and this is angle B. And let's see, let's find the side lengths because we can count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this we can't count so easily, so let's use Pythagorean theorem to solve that. Let's see, the hypotenuse C is going to be, C squared is going to be A squared plus B squared, so 8 squared plus 5 squared, and then we'll take the square root. That will give us the hypotenuse length. I'm going to bring my calculator into the picture here, and so we can go square root of 8 squared plus 5 squared equals, and we'll call it 9.4. Okay. Now, if we want to figure out, let's see, this angle right here, this is angle A. There's a couple ways we could do this. Let's start by labeling the sides of the triangle. If this is angle A, opposite the 90, this is the hypotenuse. Shooting straight across, this is the opposite side, and then the last one is the adjacent. We could figure out this angle using the tangent, which is opposite and adjacent. We could write the tangent of angle A is equal to opposite over adjacent. And let's do this. So tangent of angle A, the opposite is 5, the adjacent is 8. Now, to get rid of this tangent so we can find the angle, essentially what we're going to do is the inverse tangent, and we'll find that A equals inverse tangent of 5 over 8. So I'm going to bring in my calculator, and because we're dealing in degrees, we want to press the mode key, make sure we're in degrees, which we are. So I'm going to go, I don't know if you can see that, right above the tangent is the inverse tangent, and then we can put 5 divided by 8 and enter, and we will get 32 point, we'll just round it to 0, 32 degrees. Okay? Very cool. That's how that works. Now, let's say, for example, that we didn't know the hypotenuse length, and all we knew was the opposite side of 5, and that angle A was 32. We could use angle 32, the opposite side, and the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. We could write the sine of 32 degrees equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, which we'll pretend we don't know. So if we wanted to solve that for C, we could cross multiply, and we would get 5 equals C sine 32. We could divide by sine 32 both sides, and we would get that C equals 5 over sine 32. Let's bring our calculator in, and we could do 5 divided by sine 32, and we get 9.4, which is the same number that we got using the Pythagorean theorem.